Welcome to week 12. This is the final week of the course. So again, congratulations for making it this far. Like it's a phenomenal achievement, and I'm going to congratulate you properly in just a sec, but we got a little bit more work to do yet. Not much, but a little bit. This is the week that we hit the big fat launch button and we put our game out into the world. And I've got this picture here, this like radiant light here, and this is what I feel like people look like when they're expressing themselves honestly through their creativity. This is how I feel when I'm expressing myself. It's like creating work that is like true for you and puts you in that flow state, and that state where you lose track of time and you're excited about what you're doing, and you're doing something that's meaningful, that you're ready to endure all this pain for these 12 weeks and deal with all these trials and tribulations or whatever. This is what I feel like it does to your soul, and this is how your work comes out. It's like it's got this sort of like this radiant like glimmer to it that it lingers on you as well. I think as you create, the more you create, the more you start to look like this from like a sort of a poetic metaphorical perspective. Anyway, so we're going to recap here. So last week we fixed every bug in the game and we had it tested by somebody we trust. So obviously you might not have gotten all of them, but hopefully you got all of the main ones, and now your game is 100% ready to release, and you've got the sanity to know that it's ready to release. And so all that's left to do is just hit the publish button. So that's what we're going to do this week, and that's literally all we're going to do this week. The only task this week is to just hit the publish button by the end of the week. Now there will be some caveats, like if you're still waiting for your Steam page to be approved and all of that, it might take a little bit longer, in which case, spend more time fixing bugs. But as soon as it's ready to go, like we're done, just hit the publish button as soon as it's ready. And so just the check-in for this week: launch your game on Steam. And it's important to note that it doesn't automatically release on the release date. You have to manually go to Steam and press the launch button and confirm it, and all of that. So make sure you do that. That's your only task this week, and then the rest of the week is just left free in case of unforeseen complications, because shit never goes that easy. So that's it, and congratulations again. And once you've hit that launch button, whether that's this week or next week, watch the next video. I've titled it week 13, but you can start the next video as soon as you hit the launch button, and that's going to be the end of the course. So I'll see you then. Good luck.